Now Rob and Phil have joined me here from VANN Music. Are you well, lads?
Hi. Yes, very good.
How did you guys actually form as a band? How did you get together?
It's
a difficult question.
I met Aaron on it always comes out real funny, but on a, I was going to say dating site, not dating site, a dating site for musicians, classified section on Gumtree. And then we got Ross, who plays bass. He's a production teacher. I knew Rob from when we were like very small down in Wexford. And Rob came to fill in and never left.
Never left.
And then tell me about kind of how you developed your sound, because it has been described as new wave electro pop.
I would say electro pop. Well, we use a lot of synthesizers, which makes it kind of electronic, like thumping kind of bassy synths. We get described as a very 80s rich band in terms of the sound, and we don't ever try to get that. It's just when we sit down and we start messing and we like something, we progress it, and it just turns out to kind of sound like we're from the 80s.
Passing you by.
And what inspires your music? So is it, you know, relationships, or is it, you know, fun nights out? What is it?
It just naturally comes out whenever the music starts. Like Aaron writes most of the lyrics, and it just flows. But the general inspiration is just what's around us.
And then tell me about your look as well, because you were very dapper, very nice. Yeah, rocking the leather jacket.
We were out having a mess around town last weekend, Rob, and Rob spotted something
It's a nice jacket. It's I think it's called a flamingo jacket. I believe it's called.
Unreal.
I think I'm gonna wear that forbidden fruit. I'm gonna bring it out, woo the crowds, you know.
I love it. So where can people see you guys then?
This Friday, 2 days time in Generator in Smithfield.